Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, founder and CEO of Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. I have been associated with Gohighlevel from the past 4 years. As an independent affiliate, I've done interviews of the CEO, Sean Clark, the co-founder, Varun Varavan, super amazing people. It is available on my YouTube channel. Right now, talking about the AI employee, one of the most disruptive revolution that they have built the AI employee, especially with the coming AI wave. Now, what I've realized is that the people who are going to be using the AI employee have certain hiccups with them. That number one, like how do I understand this AI employee? Probably the ins and outs of individual functionalities and the setup. Then, even if I land the client, how will I onboard the client? First, I'll need to learn the functionality. And then, how do I scale this to the new height? So, we have crafted this super amazing free bonuses for you. Number one, the AI employee course that we are working on, you're going to get it, which will just easen up the process. How do you understand AI employee? The next is one-to-one personal onboarding of your first AI employee client that you land up. So all you have to focus on is get the client, not how do you onboard it. We are going to assign this Gohighlevel expert who will do the one-to-one personal onboarding for you. The third one is the white labeled AI employee video where you just plug in and all your sub accounts will automatically be able to use and onboard the AI employee. Isn't that amazing? Now, how do you get it? It will be very easy and it won't cost you anything. All you have to do is just go to the AI employee and put our referral code AI bonuses, AIBONUSES. How do you get it? Like, where do you put it? Go to the settings, click on AI employee, click on manage offers, and just put in the bonus within the FP reference field, AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, and click apply. Now, does that mean you'll be charged because now you have put the referral code? No, it doesn't mean anything. Like, you would not be charged at all. Whenever you'll be using the AI employee in the future, then you will be charged, your client will be charged in the future. That means anytime in the coming time, and that too, like, you will be making the profit because you'll be only charged when the client activates. And when the client activates, of course, they will be overcharged. They will be charged much more and the difference will be your profit. So in the future, when you are actually using, then you'll be charged. So this referral code that you put, you would not be charged and you will be eligible to get the bonuses. So I wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching it and bye-bye.